Hey YouTubers, and welcome to my channel, Creating a Million Dollar Cleaning Company. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Thank you very much. My name is Tina Service, and I am passionate about showing other people how to grow their cleaning company. So today I wanted to show you some more tech information, stuff that we use for our company to help with our SEO, search engine optimization. So if you haven't watched my other videos, I can tell you that I've owned my cleaning company since 2007, and I sold it in 2016 and reopened in 2018. And over the past, I would say 6 months, I have been working really diligently on my SEO to get to page one of Google. And I have since done that. I have over 30 keywords that are ranking me on page number one. But here is a little tip that I think is very helpful for any images that you're adding to your website or definitely to your Google My Business profile. Actually, I would highly use it for your Google My Business profile. Then you're going to show up in the local pack, which is that map pack that shows up with your name on it, and it shows where your company location is. So what I do is you geotag your photos for the location that you're trying to market to. So for example, we have 3 locations. So I have Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, and Tampa, Florida. So for Buffalo, what I want to do is I want to upload some images and then geotag them for my particular suburb or whatever that I am trying to market to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. I'm on this, by the way, which is called GOL Manager Pro. It's around $9 a month, maybe $10 a month. Definitely worth the investment. So what you do is you just click here to go upload some photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this photo that I downloaded from the other day. And it looks like it's supporting both PNG and WebP. By the way, WebP is the one you want to use for your website. So PNG is still okay for Google My Business, but WordPress and your websites are now liking WebP images. So when you've uploaded that photo, it's going to sit here. And what we want to do is we want to add the actual location that you want to tag. So I want to do, let's say, Amherst, New York, which is a suburb of Buffalo. So I'm going to grab that geolocation, and it's just putting me on Sheridan Drive. So you could pinpoint a stronger address if you wanted. Like if you're, let's say you're trying to get into a different suburb and you want to get closer to particular addresses like, 1125 North Street, Amherst, New York. You could actually put that address in. And then what it's going to do is it's going to come back with the latitude and longitude. And it's going to tag this actual photo with this latitude and longitude. So then when somebody is starting to look for your company and you have these geotags on there, Google's going to see, oh, this photo is this address and this person is looking in this location. So all you got to do down here is go write this, and it's going to copy these geotags here. And then guess what? You get to go add your keywords, which is super awesome. So let's just say we say house cleaning, Amherst, New York, cleaning service, Amherst, New York, home cleaning, Amherst, New York. So that's enough tags or keywords. And then let's use the description. Now, I'm going to post this one, but I'm going to take it back down after I post it because it's obviously not for my cleaning company. But we could make this, so let's say it was a picture of bathroom cleaning. So we could do bathroom cleaning. And then when you're all done, you're just going to hit download. And then over in your Google My Business profile, now I have multiple Google My Business profiles, so I happen to be in the one that's for Buffalo. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to hit add. I'm going to add that photo that I just downloaded, which is here. And then I would upload it. Now I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to finish the process. I'm actually going to cancel it out. You see how it says pending? So I'm going to take that out. And then once it gets uploaded there, I'm going to erase it. But that's all you have to do. So you can do that here for your Google My Business, which is again going to help you on that local pack. And let me just jump over to the local pack and show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is the local pack that I'm referring to. And when this is your Google My Business profile that's showing up. So when I'm adding photos, I want to geotag them to any location that I'm trying to search or get new business at. So again, you can put, if it's in whatever street address in the suburb that you're looking to achieve with the city and the state, and geotag them using this geotag photos online, and then upload them, and it's going to start to recognize that you're targeting that area. So here's the tool again, tool.geoimager.com, and then you just upload those images here to your Google My Business profile. Hey, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click that bell icon so you can get notified when we have new videos posted. Thanks. To your success.